The unsettled mind. Sarah's cozy living room filled with family photos and mementos. Despite the warmth, Sarah sits with a worried expression, looking at bills and a letter about funeral costs. Sarah had always been a planner, but as she grew older, she began to worry about the future. The thought of leaving her family with expenses weighed heavily on her mind. Sarah, sighing, staring at the bills. I just don't want them to struggle. Martha, voiceover. Sarah, I never thought it would be this hard. The costs, they're overwhelming. I wish we had planned better. Sarah's friend Martha was struggling with the sudden financial burden of her husband's passing. Sarah realized she didn't want her family to go through the same. Sarah, thoughtfully after the call. I can't let this happen to my family. That night, Sarah dreamed of her own funeral. Instead of peace, she saw her family burdened with worry, trying to figure out how to pay for everything. Sarah's daughter, frustrated, whispering to another family member, I don't know how we're going to manage all this. Sarah woke up, realizing she could not put this off any longer. Insurance agent. With this plan, your family won't have to worry about the costs. It's a simple step, but it makes a big difference. Determined to protect her family, Sarah took action. She understood that final expense life insurance was more than just a policy. It was a gift of peace and preparation. Sarah, signing the papers, smiling. This is the right thing to do? Sarah had learned that planning for the future was an act of love. By taking care of her final expenses, she ensured her family could focus on celebrating her life, not the costs. Sarah, to herself, watching her family with a content smile. They'll be okay thanks to this.